Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I finally freed up some space.
I'm over here.
For Mike Marino's Tonka truck, the crane. What happened was, I'm waiting for engine parts for my Pontiac. Since I'm waiting for parts, I said I might as well take advantage of the time.
Right.
And I'll work on this.
Do it.
I already did his dump truck.
I remember that.
Right?
Yep.
He loved it. And now I'm going to do his Tonka, the crane truck.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh. Beep, beep, beep. So what are we going to do?
So what I have to do is, I think before I start taking it apart, we should do a nice 360-degree turnaround and look at the whole truck. And it'll be a before and after.
Right. What were we doing?
We're looking at it. Alright, anyway, so here's what we're gonna do.
Come on, let's go.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
And that's the way it goes together. Good.
So
now put it off to the side. See?
Alright, that's this piece. The only way to get these little top hat, I guess you can call it, it's the same shape. The only way to get this off is to basically bend them and all that. I got new ones, so don't worry, Mike. That's it. See this rivet and this rivet? Those have to come off because this chassis is riveted on to the body and it has to come off. So, always put your glasses on, which, I don't know how I can still see out of these things. Do you see that? Like, what a mess. Next, as I was doing before somebody interrupted.
How you making out, Champ?
Good. Wheels are off,
good.
cabs off. I'm just
Moving
gonna
along.
take.
You think you're gonna get the sandblasting today?
I have to. If I have to stay here until 11 o'clock tonight, I don't care. I have to sandblast today.
You're gonna be sandblasting your chubby little fingers.
I know. It's
In the dark, you know.
What are you gonna do? Shut the power off or something?
Outside? Sure.
Oh, outside.
It's already off.
Right. Come on, back to work.
Get pumped. I needed something out of here.
Hey, Pops.
Yo!
I need you. I need some advice.
Bother me for no little thing.
No, it's just a big. It sucks having rivets. Okay, then that's that piece. Okay, good. Okay, that's that. Okay, glass comes out. This glass I'm still gonna reuse because I don't think they don't make another glass for the top of the roof crane. See?
Beautiful. It's all apart?
The crane's apart.
Good.
Except for this. This is your release to bring the big black part. The crane
Just take the rivet out. That's all.
Take the rivet out, which I'm gonna have to do that. All right.
And that's it. Sandblast. Hit it.
Sandblast.
How you making out, Chief?
All my pieces are sandblasted, but I'm only primering the top of this. You see how there's all pits?
There's a little bit
All right.
of pits. You could barely.
So what I'm gonna do is,
barely.
I'm gonna mix this primer. I'm going to primer only the top. The sides don't have. Well, over here has to be primer too. But because you know why? It's so little that when I go use the filler, it's gonna leave a high spot. That's how little it is.
Barely.
So when I go primer, it'll just fill in all the little pits.
Barely.
Don't forget, this primer dries completely to 60 to 90 minutes.
Barely feel it.
All right, 60 to 90 minutes.
Barely feel it.
So what I could do is once I primer this, I'll go get my pieces that I need to paint black. I'll get that ready, seal those, paint it, clear coat. After those are done, I could probably just sand this primer right now, seal all my yellow parts, and just paint it, and I could probably get all the painting process done today.
Because you barely feel it.
Barely.
Alright, hit it!
That's my sealer. After the sealer is dry, I'm going to start on my base coat, clear coat, and all these parts are going to be black. This is how you know if you mixed the base coat right, 1-to-1. Put your mixing stick in here, pull it out, count to 3. When it starts to drip, and you're on 3 seconds, that's how you know it's good. Look, ready? 1, 2. Alright, so all the pieces to Mike's Tonka is perfectly painted and ready to be assembled. That goes in like that.
Giuseppe, what are you doing? Still with this thing?
Putting it together. No! Hey, listen, it's not my toy, so it doesn't even matter.
Wow, that's a nice
No, that's
paint
not
job,
nice.
bro. Your car's on its way.
Oh, it is?
Craig said, yeah.
Good.
I bought you a car, Leroy. This way I don't have to pick you up at the bus stop.
These are my brand new headlights.
Okay, I gotta go do another coat. I am painting the top of the dashboard of the Pontiac from 1959. Get the hell out of here. That's not the way I talk, right? Wow, huh? What do you think about that? Hey, are you insured? You ripped my top off. The top's missing.
It's a homemade convertible.
I'm a little...
No.
It's gonna help you. Good.
Well, there you go. Really, that's basically what you're looking at.
It's on?
It's a wonderful thing.
How's it looking?
Fantastic.
Wow, bro. Looks good.
That's
What's that?
the finished product. And that's it.
Do, 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 do. Look at this. Everything working?
Yeah, but you gotta do the sound effects.
No.
You have to.
Oh, here's your little lock
Look,
handle.
this is your release. Pull it forward.
Way you
Down.
go.
And then... No.
Oh, and then this thing opens, right? Hey, dig a hole. We gotta get rid of Jimmy Hoffa.
Alright, now just... Nope. You gotta give a nice engine sound. What would this sound like if it had an engine and it was real? What would it sound? No, come on, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. What would this real sound like?
Smiling at me. Huh?
What would it sound like? Go.
Broom, broom. Taking over the world.
One set of mighty Tonka crane trucks at a time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.